nag-save. Yung plants. Yung aking basil walay na. And yung aking, yung ating thyme na dry. And ito na, wala na. Ito pala yung lunch namin. Nagluluto ako ng kinamatisang baboy. Ayan, ang dami nitong kamatis. And lalagyan ko siya ng cabbage kasi mayroon pa akong cabbage na okay pa ito. Okay pa naman to. Tinanggal ko lang yung sa ibabaw. Ayan, kasi nag-yellow na. Pero the rest okay pa. So, yan yung gulay natin sa kinamatisang baboy. Masarap din ang pechay. Kaso wala tayong pechay. So, ito na lang. Ayan, malambot na yung baboy. Lagyan na natin yung ating cabbage. Ayan, ubusin ko to. Si Jan, wala pala dito. Busy na yun. Nasa boat yun. Nag-aasikaso na ng kanyang yun nga, boat. Para sa fishing next month. Mag-start ng fishing next month. Yan na yung itsura ng ating kinamatisan. Pwede rin gawing kutsero na may saging. Wala tayong saging, guys. Yan. Yeah?
Rice?
Yes, I do have rice. Smells good though. Ready to eat? Yeah? Oh, nasa game daw sila. Lalaro sila. 11:30. Quarter to 10 pala sila nagising. Ayan. Sarap. And ito yung rice na bagong luto. Diniligan ko pala to. And yung sa labas na mint at saka yung ating pork. Ito ba yung thyme? Ang ganda. Andun sa labas. Buhay na buhay. Ayan. Okay po, oh. Hindi ko pa siya nadiligan. Maya-maya. Diligan ko to. At least, lumalaban to. Kahit ang lamig-lamig dito sa labas. Try niya daw. It's too hot. Just try the soup first. No. Yeah, because it's too hot for the meat.
Very good.
Very good. It's hot. Oh, so I'm telling you, it's hot.
No, I'm like the hot. Like I can handle it. I promise.
You can handle the
No,
hot?
I can.
Oh. You do it yourself. You do it yourself. Blow, blow. Ano? I thought you can handle.
So I can.
Good? Ayan na yung lunch nila.
Okay.
Of course, Kuya is the biggest one.
No, I just saw my rice man.
Ito kasi, and kinat ko siya ng gunting kasi para mas madali sa kanilang kainin. Ito kay Holly. Ready na yung baunan nila para bukas.
Good.
That's
Not. Good man.
Huh? Wait, that's okay. Alright. Ako, mag-i-edit ako. Nalituan ko na sila ng lunch. Ako naman magtrabaho. Kasi si Daddy din, nag-work din siya. So, Mommy has to work. What are you doing to your room? Ha? Nagba-vacuum siya sa kwarto niya, naglilinis siya. Tingnan niyo yung kanyang football. You got 3? Wow. Yan ako, kumakain, and mag-i-edit, and nanonood ako kay OGDS update. And ito try namin to maya-maya. Ang rice pala natin ay yung shirataki rice. In fairness, okay lang siya. Care bells ko siya. And 396 Ang explanation niya, ano daw, a bit thinner and sticky.
I forgot I've got like 14 bottles of water in my room.
My God, that's
No,
why
it's not me.
that's why we run
It's
out.
TJ. He just grabs it,
And then
drinks a little bit,
stack it
comes
there.
back and stocks it.
So what do you?
Do you want water?
Yeah. What can you say about my shirataki rice? What's your explanation?
It's stickier, and thinner,
What's the taste?
and it's more bubbly.
More bubbly.
No, like in the mouth. I don't know. I've tasted this other stuff.
Is it good or what?
It's alright.
Which one's better? The regular,
Normal?
huh?
Regular.
Ah, okay, normal. The Asian one, not the Coles one.
Oh, is it Asian?
No, that's the Coles one, the one we have. But you
Oh,
like
yeah,
that
that's-
Asian.
Yeah, I like the jasmine.
Jasmine from Asians.
Yeah. I'll go get all my other bottles and put it in the fridge.
Yes, please.
Hello, guys. Say hi. We got cookies from Brooki cookie shop, and we got it from the Brisbane airport.
All right.
And we're gonna try and see how good it is. So
Show the paper bag.
here's the bag. All right, there's no pink. And then
Okay. First, we're gonna try.
that big bowl.
No. This one first. Yeah, that one.
We
So
got the red velvet
show it to
cookie.
them. It's 145 grams.
145 grams.
Yes.
I'm
Okay.
gonna try this one first.
All right.
Right
Okay.
there.
Wait. I'm just gonna. All right. Here. Sit down. Wait. And so we. Yeah. Okay. So you can. What's the smell?
Smells like your mug cake.
My
Well,
mug
not
cake.
the mug cake, like the chocolate.
Cake that
Cake.
I made. Let me
It
smell.
does, doesn't it?
Ah, true. Yeah, one of my baking cake. All right. Smells good. Okay.
That's
have-
the cookie.
Yeah, open it. Break. I think there's cream cheese inside. Can you open it? But of course, show it to them when you open. Other way. Alright. Yeah, because it's not hot anymore, so try. Can I try this? Be honest, okay?
Just tastes like your mug cake.
Just tastes like mine.
Oh, your chocolate.
Nothing special.
It's alright.
It's alright. Yeah.
Alright.
It's alright. Yeah.
It's fine.
It tastes like floury. Think so?
Tastes salty. Not really.
No? What do you think?
Oh, flour, like
Yeah,
the
flour, yeah.
not the flowers.
Not the flowers, flour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to put
But
back
the-
in the bag?
Yeah, put it back.
It's so messy. I want some more.
You don't like it? You don't like it? Ayaw ni Holly. Okay, just put in the bag.
Look
Alright.
how messy it is.
Here, back. Okay,
Should
next.
I pass that out?
No, it's alright.
Next, we got the New York cookie,
Okay, show it to them.
and we got
3 minutes na. Okay, I'll do it. Okay, show it. Like that. What's the smell?
smells like a chocolate chip,
Yeah, like,
and it's fat
yeah, it's
and
bigger.
soft.
Is it softer than red
The
velvet?
velvet, yeah.
So you have to break it like this. Yeah.
Which
Yeah,
bit? Which bit?
it's it doesn't matter.
No, we're doing this bit.
Alright. It's soft.
little bit.
Okay, Howie.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit those one. Okay. Be
So
honest.
messy. This one way better.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one's good.
This is better than the other one.
Yeah. More chewier.
You don't really like?
I don't even really eat chocolate chip anyway.
Yeah. Si Kuya hindi siya mahilig dito. But this is a bit better.
Yeah, that one's good.
Yeah.
Now we got the double choc cookie.
Alright. That's
This one's soft as well.
alright.
It's like the same texture as the
Cookie. The
Yeah.
NY.
very good.
Oh, that's not even.
That's alright.
This one smells more like the mug cake. The chocolate cake.
That I made.
Yeah.
Let Kuya smell it. Let Kuya smell. Okay, Holly.
Yeah.
So,
Oh.
Yep, that's.
Oh, the soft?
No.
No.
It's
No?
like dark chocolate a little bit.
What do you think?
Aftertaste is a bit better though.
The aftertaste.
Yeah.
But it's crunchy.
I like
And
this.
that you don't like? Oh my god.
The
you don't
New
like-
York one's
Way
best
better.
so far.
So far.
So far, yeah. Alright, next
Okay.
one we got
Last one.
The last one.
gluten free.
Brooki brownie bites.
We got brownie bites.
Oh, show it. Alright, everyone can get.
That will
Okay.
be my note. This
Thank
is
you.
soft.
Oh yeah, this is soft.
No.
No? Ay, may kuya.
I'm good with ice cream.
Yeah, ice cream with
Yeah,
it.
ice cream is good.
With ice cream, it's good.
Yeah.
It's just like my.
Dad,
We have brownies.
Yeah.
I can bake. Me and my
What do you
bake
think? What do
this.
you think overall? Si kuya kinakain na yung. Come here,
Um,
kuya. What do you think? Overall, what do you think about this?
this one's the best New York cookie.
Yeah.
Second, this one. Third, velvet. Oh no, that chocolate, and then last velvet.
Okay, so do you think it's the price is worth it for this cookie?
Worth $50? No.
No, because this is how much I
Should be
got this?
30. No, not even.
Oh, how much I got this at? I told you.
$50. $49.
49.40 sa 5. Oh no, how many? 4? 4. Yeah,
1, 2,
3
3,
cookies and brownies.
This was probably like $19, probably.
No, this is $14, I think, and this is $9 per cookies.
9,
Yeah.
18, 32 plus 4.
There's one in there that's already eaten.
Yeah, where?
It's
Ah,
already
no,
eaten,
because
it's already
yeah,
That's mochi.
yesterday,
That's no, not mochi.
macarons included with
Macarons.
2 macarons. May macarons, but how about the macarons?
That was really good.
Yeah,
I like the lemon one was the best.
so that was yesterday. Kinain nila sa airport. This one is raspberry, and then the other one was lemon. So, what can you say about this?
Yeah, it was alright.
It's alright.
we can
Not
cook this?
not the best.
No.
How about my cookies? What do you think about my cookies and brownies?
Yours?
Yeah, the brownies that
I
I
remember
made.
the cookies you made.
Yeah.
And the
same.
brownies.
Yeah, the brownies with ice cream and all that. What do you think of that one?
Better.
Better.
Oh my god, thank you. Alright, that's it guys.
Yep. Thank you for our Brookie cookie review and brownie. And we'll see you next one. Bye.
Bye. Ano na siya, feeling niya, ano siya taga-review na. Alright. Hoy, sayang.
Let me get
The vacuum? So you don't wanna eat this? Kuya?
I'll eat that.
So, trinay lang talaga namin.
later.
This one, you will, okay. 4:48 na pala, and gumagawa ko ng homemade chipotle. Yan. And binuksan ko to, yung nabili ko sa Yamba. Bago na to, yung isa wala na. Yan. Dinagdag ko dito. Gagawin ko siyang pang-marinate sa chicken. Agad ako ng gherkins. Nilagay ko siya dito sa 700 grams na bottle. Pero hindi siya puno. But, yan yung nagawa natin na sauce. Habang minamarinate ko yan, maghihiwa ng sibuyas at saka yung ating, bell pepper. Yan, luto na yung ating chicken.
What does that smell, honey?
Why?
Smells frigid.
You can smell it from your room?
Mm-hmm. What's that?
Chicken.
Oh, is that chicken?
Yeah.
Right, what are we having with it? That wrap.
Yeah.
That's
One. Trust me. Tapos, meron pa doon nakasalang, pero itong isa gusto niya nang i-try. Ito yung may sauce.
Where's the sauce?
No, that one, it's
Oh,
already
it's something different.
hot, hot. No,
No, I didn't even buy
I know. Nah,
Yeah, it's alright. Nah, I'm good. I can taste the capsicum.
it's alright, but it complements of everything. The sauce. Ayaw niya kasi yun eh. Kaya yung sibuyas.
Chicken's good. Sauce is good.
The sauce, my sauce is good. Tapos ko nang lutuin yung ating chicken tacos with chipotle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 lahat kasi kinain ni Sak yung isa. Are you ready to eat? So, ano?
Yeah. Good. I think Dad will like this.
You think so?
I think he can.
Ay kasi nidya ng capsicum.
Hey there, back.
They're back? Okay, that's good. Si Kuya,
Everything here,
bumili siya ng cough medicine ni
Can I have a
Holly.
water?
Yeah, it's good to eat now while it's hot. You're full? Alright.
Where's the other one go?
Yeah, I'm just heating it up.
He should bubble.
No, that one, don't eat that one.
What's in it?
Chicken.
Good bug.
Okay. Can I put this one? Stop already had one. Oh, just put it there. So
Oh, cool.
it's already cooked. I'm just heating it up.
I want two or something.
Yeah, save some for pizza. The next day, 7:14. Ito yung baon nila. Yung tacos without onions and capsicum. Cheese lang, tsaka chicken, tsaka yung sauce. Ayan na yung baon nila for today. Ito yung baon ni Zach. Hindi ko muna pinagamit yung lunch box kasi hindi kasya yung ito yung tacos niya. And si Kuya at si Zach lang papasok today kasi si Holly ubo ng ubo. Alis na yung boys. See you, bye. Love you.
What's that?
Love you. So mabango. Listen in. Listen in. Oy! Sa Kuya, kiss me properly, please. Nabahuan siya sa orange. Kiss me. Love you. Listen in. Ihatid na sila ni Daddy sa bus station. Kung saan sila pipick upin ng school bus. And me, mag-work muna ako saglit bago ako mag-linis. Baba! Ayan yung aking baba. Oh, come here. Get better because you have to go back to school.
Mom,
Come here.
Thursday night I have netball presentation.
You can't because you're sick.
Mom,
Come
I
here.
need
Come
to
here.
go. I still have to go.
May net presentation siya bukas.
My lips are so
Yeah,
dry.
put the lip balm please because it's dry. Come on. 5:40 na and nagluluto lang ng dinner. Ito yung dinner namin. Nanay, cardamom blue with white sauce. So, ayan na yung... Ha? Gutom na sila. Ayan na yung ating dinner. Ito yung ulam nila. Ayan yung sauce. Ayan. Alright, prepare ko na ito. Ikakat natin. So, tingnan nyo yung cheese. Kinat ko yung tatlo muna. Ayan. And meron ako dito shiitake rice. So, ayan yung shiitake rice. 1 cup lang na ganito. Ayan. So, ito na yung dinner nila. Yan yung kay Chan, Holly, Zaki, and Kuya TJ. And meron pa dito kung gusto pa nila. So, ito yung ating shiitake rice. So, hindi ko naman ito nauubos. So, parang, well, for 1 day, lunch and dinner ko na siya. 1 cup. So, kanina, kumain ako na, ano kinain ko? Tacos ang kinain ko kanina. Yung leftover namin na tacos, kagabi. Kaya, eto, bukas ito. Tira.